2 years, countless of flights, and hundreds of gigabytes of footage later, how does the DJI Mavic 3 hold up? Is it still the king of drones, or has it lost its edge? In this video, I'll share my real-world experience, the highs, the lows, and everything you need to know before investing in this powerhouse of drone. Hey, I'm your host, Sabri Snow, and today we are diving deep into the DJI Mavic 3, a drone I've been flying for over 3 years. This isn't just a spectator review. I'll cover how it performs after heavy usage, what I love about it, and what are the areas it's starting to show its age. The foldable design is as sturdy as day one. They said the gimbal does feel a bit more fragile now, and you will want to handle it with care. The Mavic 3 dual camera system, featuring that incredible Hasselblad sensor, still delivers with taking 5.1K footage. Colors are rich, dynamic range is top-notch, and low-light performance holds up surprisingly well. But there's a kicker. Newer drones have caught up, and while the Mavic 3 is still impressive, it's no longer leaps and bounds ahead of the competition. Unless you know how to play with the color in the DaVinci Resolve, you can surely make it the best looking drone even in 2025, even though it's not. The 10-bit D-Log M offers versatile 18 million colors, which is still capable to kick your 55 or even 75-inch TV. Battery life is one area where the Mavic 3 continues to shine, with up to 46 minutes of flight time is a beast. However, after 2 years of heavy usage, my batteries are starting to showing their age. Expect to replace them if you are flying regularly, and at around $200 each, that's not cheap. In terms of performance, the Mavic 3 is as reliable as ever. It handles wind like a pro and feels incredibly stable. Even in challenging conditions, like I took it over ocean where all my previous 3 drones failed to capture smooth footage, but this guy never failed. I even took it on top of Sweden's highest peak called Kebnekaise. Unfortunately, it was a life and death situation, extremely dangerous, gust over 60 meters per second, and I even didn't dare to fly it as we were waving in the cloud and could not even see 1 meter away. But during that hike, I flew it in 1600-meter elevation without any problem, and I got breathtaking footage from the Swedish Lapland called Kiruna during the summit of Kebnekaise. The obstacle avoidance system has saved me more than a few times, even though it's not perfect compared to the present drones, but surely you can trust. I never collided, never even got too close to any object, and the hand catching and in dark situation, adding torch worked pretty nice. Once I got a sudden disconnection to the RC remote, as I was close to a large metal in a ski resort, and then I realized there was too much interference from the metal piece where I was standing. The firmware upgrades were smooth, and I received so many actually in the last 3 years. I must have to say the quality, the flight operation, the overall user experience improved a lot over the last 3 years with many firmware updates. The DJI Fly app has been a mixed bag. It's user-friendly and packed with features, but updates have not always been smooth. Bugs, occasional connectivity issues, and lack of meaningful new features have been frustrating. Plus, DJI's geofencing restriction are a pain for certain flights. When I was flying over Estonia, I got this geofencing caution all over the country that I never got anywhere else. And also, if you are close to restricted area, sometimes it doesn't even let you fly. But these are minor issues, and thanks DJI for improving so much so far. Let's talk cons. The biggest issue, the price. Even now, the Mavic 3 is a premium investment, and the newer drones offer comparable features at a lower cost. Add in the wear and tear on accessories, aging batteries, and limited updates, and it's clear the Mavic 3 is not perfect. I'm waiting for Mavic 4 and waiting to get rid of this, and I can surely tell it still has a huge demand because it's still under 900 gram, meaning you can fly with your A1 license. Many people will still grab it to fly because most of them has A1 license here in Europe. So after 3 years, would I still recommend the DJI Mavic 3? Maybe, maybe not. There's not any significant issues like bad low light or quality if you know how to expose it with good ND filter. Just a little bit of tweaking, it's always ready to outperform in broad daylight or even the sun setting time, what I absolutely love to shoot. There's nothing it's failing to produce, no technical flaw. A 4x3 CMOS sensor, which is slightly larger than 1-inch sensor, is still kicking in the sky and producing its best. It's surely a reliable, high quality drone and can handle the upfront cost. It's a workhorse that's given me incredible footage and peace of mind on every shoot. But if you are buying a new today, weigh your options carefully. The competition is fierce and you might find a better fit for your need. That's it for my 3-year review of the DJI Mavic 3. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more drone tips and reviews. Got questions or want to share your Mavic 3 experience? Drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.